So Eddie, your makeover has been a great success. We just hooked you up with a haircut. We got your beard trimmed and some dope threads for you. How do you feel?
Feeling great, man.
We're gonna meet up with local dating coach. His name is John Keegan. He's gonna help you get the right moves to get the ladies on your arm.
Here we go.
John Keegan's in the house. John.
Good to see you.
Eddie.
Nice to meet you, dude.
John, nice to meet you.
All right. So we're looking for your quick steps to help them get in the game to be relatable and dateable.
Yes, you gotta have a powerful vision of yourself. So, do you have a positive outlook of yourself now, or do you have like a negative outlook?
I think, I'm a confident guy. I'm funny.
So that's good, man, and you can feel that coming from you, like being you. He's got a nice vibe about him, right?
Yeah.
So really, once you stay there, so now you're there, you're on the cusp, and we move into point number 2 to be dateable and relatable is moving beyond limiting beliefs. They're like these nagging voices that just come up and start talking to us. I'm not enough. This is not going to work out. Let's just forget the whole thing. I'm just going to finish my coffee and go home. So a way that you move beyond these limiting beliefs is you tune into step number 3, which is following your instincts. You learn to tune into your instincts and you respond in the moment.
Right.
And the only way you can do that is by letting go of the outcome. I don't care if she likes me. I don't care if she thinks I'm great. All of it would be amazing, but I'm okay without it,
Yeah.
I'm okay without it. So you see how you're fading in, and little by little you're shedding the anxiety and the social, phobias you might have had, and now all of a sudden you're out here and you're into step number 5, to be authentic, engaging, and fun. That would give her a reason to say, oh, I know why he wants to hang out with me. I'm like an approachable, open person who's easy to be around. That makes sense.
Right.
And then you hit her with a great compliment on her looks and let her know that you're really physically interested in her as well. And then you ask her out.
John, we have to thank you so much. It looks a little bit more confident.
I feel confident.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
Well, you look good. We got the whole outfit done, the haircut and everything.
You look amazing, bro.
Thanks, man.
So look, we're gonna hit the streets,
Yes.
try to get them out there, maybe find the right woman for them,
Yes.
and we might report back.
And woman or women, right? Enjoy.
Hey.
It's a journey, not a destination, guys, right?
True.
Yeah.
Yo,
All
thank
right.
you so
Awesome.
much.
Thanks for having me. Right?
See you, man.
Great to meet you. All right, guys. See you.